All right. Sitting here laying in bed watching a boiler video. Gonna learn a little something, man. But I want to give this multimeter, clamp meter, a try. Had some pretty good reviews. I like keeping a backup meter in case the fluke batteries go dead, can't find batteries, might have a problem, whatever. After looking around a little bit, looking at the reviews, this, how the hell do you pronounce the thing? AstroAI, not going to try. Astra something. AstroAI, oh, maybe it's AstroAI. There you go, AstroAI. Astro with artificial intelligence. I got some specs on the back of the box. Okay. You want to know what it can do. I think you can QR code the thing right here. Maybe pull up some more data on it or something. But, hey, thank you card. The meter looks pretty good. Feels good. It doesn't feel chinchy in the hand. It's got a little weight to it. Not a lot, but enough to feel like it's a valid tool. The clamp has got good snap, easy to open, good snap back. First initial things that I see when I pick it up. Came with batteries in it, ready to go. A lot of functions. I did want to bump up and get the clamp with the ability to amp AC or DC current. If you're working on a vehicle or something, from your batteries, you want to know if, say for instance, your heater core fan is pulling any amperage or not, or anything. You can amp DC, whatever on a vehicle. It's kind of like what I like to have it for, but and obviously the AC current in everyday life from my business. So you look at the scale. We've got AC and DC 400 amp, 40 amp, voltage, which can be selected with the function button. Let's try that. Alright, so we're on voltage. You turn it to it, it defaults to DC amperage, but you can hit function and send it to AC. There's only 2 pounds of pressure in the boiler, and that's how the water is going to flow by gravity. Don't know what that little symbol is yet. Well, the one down here, little symbol yet. Like I said, I'm just opening this thing up. You need to measure this. If you're moving the boiler and you see that the boiler's in a pit, alright, so what else we got? So they get it low enough to provide the A dimension. If you decide to get the boiler out of the pit and capacitance after you're done working, like they never had before, like you won't believe. Diode and audible beep. Hertz can come in handy. And non-contact voltage. Don't know how you activate that. Or if it needs a button to be activated. What's the H for? And pitch 1 inch and 20 feet both ways. But notice now how your not doing anything. Is no longer out here. Let's take it. At the end of the main, it's now shifted back in the boiler. And once again, this may be the reason why the down in the pit. So when you're changing the boiler, you have to wander out in the building and find that and it's picking it up. And measure from there. So that's pretty impressive. And here too, you see this loop where we drop down. Oh, lights! Check out the lights on this thing. Down like that in front of a P-trap is if we just came directly back into crisp, here, clear blue light. Steam in this line as the boiler steamed down. Long hole. Look at that. Meaning the condensate coming back. You can shine on what you're clamping. Near the end of the cycle, so we always drop down to the bottom and come up into the Hartford loop. And please provide some valves here because I guarantee that is a nice blue light. I like it. It's crisp. In dark, that sticks out. What the time limit on it is, I'm not sure. When it times out like some clamps do. But I checked, I already ran it together a couple of things when I opened it up naturally. Want to hear the audible for the diode or audible circuit check.
Here we need a minimum of 1 inch every 10 feet. And the pipe has to be bigger in size too. So if you're not sure what size pipes you need, get a copy of my book, The Lost Art of Steam Heating.
Thing works, man.
Get a copy of my book, The Golden Rules of
I'm gonna give it a thumbs up in there.
Book I show every
This multimeter has so far did everything I wanted it to do. I bought it for the capacitance because I've got some air conditioner capacitors I need to measure, and working on that just great. I've got 35 and 40 microfarad ones, and you put it on there, don't get in a hurry. It takes a minute to calculate the value, probably about 3 or 4 seconds, and then it comes up with a number, and then it's stable. So don't put it on there and take it off like a voltage measurement. The thumb wheel here, very easy to move to turn it on and turn it off, change values with one-handed operation. Got a hold function here, so you can hold that, press that, and it holds. Clamp on the amp meter is easy accessed with your fingers here. It's got a non-contact voltage measurement here that you can swivel around to choose. So let's turn it on to, let's say, AC voltage. So here's the backlight. So on and off, easy to see with the backlight on. In daylight you can see it with it off, so you can save power. Here's the LED up here. That'll light up what you're looking at in case you're in a dark area. Capacitance is ohms and capacitance on the same setting here. So ohms comes up first, auto ranging. So you press and hold, not press and hold, press function, and it comes up, I think it's nanofarad to start with, but if you put a microfarad capacitor on it, it'll automatically switch to microfarad. Test leads plug in the bottom right here. If you don't want them, you can take them out a little bit more maneuverable. The leads come in the bottom. They do kind of stick off to one side or the back or the front. A little bit in your way, but not too bad. Turn it around to the non-contact voltage setting. This is the first meter I've had that has this feature, and that's what these 3 lights here are for. I'm not sure where it actually contacts it at. You'd think it was dead by twigging over here a little bit. But if you got a wire you suspect, looks like you just move it around, make sure that you get in there. This has 120 volts on it. But I'm rather pleased with this. Everything's working great. Hope this review helps you.
Allez, on se retrouve ici pour la petite présentation rapide de la pince ampérimétrique. Donc sa fonction principale est de mesurer l'ampérage entre les 2 petites pinces ici. Alors, on va l'éteindre. Donc, on a la fonction NCV Live, donc pour tester le courant sans contact. Donc là, on a ohmmètre avec le son, ohmmètre, voltage continu, alternatif de 20 ampères, 200, 400 ampères. Grâce aux petites pinces. On a les 2 câbles qui sont inclus. On va les retirer. On a une petite lampe ici qui est assez sympa, qui s'éteint au bout de 15 minutes toute seule. Alors, on peut l'éteindre ici. On a le cadran ici qui est rétroéclairé. La fonction hold sur le côté, donc pour bloquer l'affichage à la tension mesurée par exemple. Les fonctions ici. Donc la fonction que je préfère moi, bah, c'est plus de rapidité à la place de mettre les deux pinces, voilà, les deux petites pinces là dans la prise. Là c'est une mesure sans contact. Donc dès qu'on s'approche, là il nous dit qu'il y a de la tension. Donc c'est grâce, hop, petite mise au point. Faut bien coller ça ici. Donc on peut tester sur le mur. On va prendre une seconde. Donc c'est assez pratique. Ça permet de pas perdre de temps. C'est vraiment pas mal. Donc elle fait une vingtaine de centimètres sur 5 environ. Il y a la petite pochette qui est incluse. Donc ça c'est pas mal pour éviter que ça traîne. Donc là on a les protections, les petits câbles.
No. Yes. Yes.